Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Tesla Model 3 charging port. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely powered down. You'll need a few basic tools, including a trim removal kit and a T20 Torx driver. Start by gently prying away the rear trunk trim panel to expose the underlying components. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to the charging port assembly. Next, you'll need to access the charging port itself. Locate and remove the two plastic clips that secure the side panel near the charging port. Gently detach the emergency release cable from its retaining clip, ensuring not to damage it. Then, using your T20 Torx driver, carefully remove the two screws that hold the charging port cover in place. This will allow you to proceed with further disassembly. Now it's time to disconnect the charging port. First, locate the main electrical connector and firmly press its release tab before gently pulling it apart. Next, you'll find three 10mm nuts that secure the entire charging port assembly to the vehicle's frame. Carefully remove these nuts. Once all fasteners are free, you can gently pull the charging port assembly straight out from its housing. When reassembling, ensure all electrical connectors are firmly seated and all nuts and screws are tightened to their proper specifications. Before fully reinstalling all the trim panels, it's a good practice to test the charging functionality to confirm everything works correctly. If you encounter any unexpected issues or feel unsure at any point, seeking professional assistance is always a wise decision to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.